Puerto Rico, a tropical island famous for its vibrant culture and stunning landscapes. Every year, it faces the threat of tropical storms and hurricanes. These storms challenge the island's infrastructure, economy, and residents' well-being.
For Hurricane Maria, I used to work in the hospital, and I know for a fact that a lot of practices MRI quenched, and they were out of business for many months. It was very difficult for the patients to find a place to have the studies done.
Hurricane Maria caused the longest blackout in Puerto Rico history, and it caused devastation not only in communities but in the economy that depend on consistent electricity.
Dr. Mayra Maldonado had a vision to create a state-of-the-art imaging center in Puerto Rico. This became Vida Imaging. It offers cutting-edge technology and patient-centered care. Having experienced the impact of Hurricane Maria, she sought resilient MRI technology, allowing her maximum uptime and seamless treatment, contributing to her community's well-being and transforming patients' lives.
We're living in a tropical island. The grid is very vulnerable. With this equipment, the helium is sealed, and we're not going to be losing helium without energy. For us, it was super important to have the option to ramp down the system in case of emergency. And with the easy switch, we can turn off the MRI from the console, and after everything is stable, we can ramp up the system very easily, and we can start giving the service to our patient very quickly.
Experts expect more frequent natural disasters that hinder economic growth.
Now with climate change, what we're seeing is that the waters are getting warmer, and warm water is the fuel for the system to grow. So we're going to see more frequent storms.
We need to invest in resilient technologies that allow us to, offer, the medical treatments to people that need those equipments functioning 24/7.
The impacts on the economies is incredible. Preparedness is the only solution for this. We cannot move the island from what it is.
As natural disasters become more frequent and intense, a resilient approach involves shutting down the MRI when needed, no helium refills, and resuming safely after risks pass.
It was amazing when I discovered this technology. First, the fact that there is no need of helium and I can treat my patient quickly after any emergent event, it's number one. Second, the technology, the softwares, and the images are just beautiful. I can make my diagnosis very comfortable and safe. And for me, both things are important. I can treat my patient more quickly, which is for me the most important part of my job.
Phillips.